In this episode of Code Unveiled, we will take a look at problem number 11448 at UVa Online Judge called Who Said Crisis? Let's take a look at the problem description. We have a company and we are supposed to calculate the difference between benefits and costs. The task is super simple, just subtract two numbers. Or is it? The catch is that the numbers we get are too big to fit regular integer data types of our programming language, such as int or long, which are 2 to the power of 32 or 64 respectively. Therefore, we can take advantage of knowing multiple programming languages and their capabilities. We can use big integer in Java or unlimited integer precision in Python to solve this problem with ease. As you can see, the code is easy to write and doesn't need much explanation. This solution can be quickly written and leaves no room for errors. However, the calculation takes some time and can be improved by using a faster programming language. With C or C++, we can write the fastest code, but we don't have the luxury of unlimited data types. We need to come up with our big integer solution. It's not something I would recommend doing in the contest environment where Java or Python solutions will do just fine. However, it's a nice exercise. When we take a look at the problem description, we can make an observation that we don't need a full-fledged big integer implementation, but only a subset. We have to subtract two positive integers. Let's go back to elementary school and remember how to subtract two numbers. There are several methods. I'm going to show you the Austrian method. The first rule is to subtract a smaller number from the bigger one. We just switch the sign of the result at the end. We start by subtracting from the right the least significant digits. When we can subtract two digits without getting a negative number, we do the subtraction and write the result. When we cannot, we add 10, write the result, and then carry 1 to the next step, where we add it to the subtrahend. We repeat this process. Here in this example, we need to subtract 753 minus 491. First, we subtract 3 minus 1, that's 2. In the second step, we subtract 5 minus 9, that's minus 4. It's negative, so we add 10, and the result is 6. And we carry 1 to the next step. Now we subtract 7 minus 4, that's 3, minus the carry from the previous step, so we get 2. The final result is 262. Let's take a look at the code. The main loop is simple. Read a number of test cases. In each case, read numbers a and b as strings, call the subtract function, and print that out. In the beginning of the subtract function, we swap numbers a and b if a is smaller than b. We now know that the result will be negative. Then we apply the Austrian method of subtraction as mentioned before. Watch out for cases where number b has fewer digits than number a. After subtraction, we terminate the string, remove trailing zeros, and add the sign. Finally, we return the final number as a reverse string of the temporary array of characters. That's all I have for you today. If you have any questions or comments about this, please put them below. If you like this video and would like to see more like it, please subscribe. Thank you.